Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys hotspot setting in your Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you check your hotspot password in your Xiaomi phone. Guys you want to check your hotspot password so as you can check, and guys now let's see how to check hotspot password in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to check your hotspot password. First of all, open our phone setting, then scroll it. As you can see, a portable hotspot. So we will click here. Set up portable hotspot tab here. Let's click on this icon. Then guys, you can see my password 12345678. So as you want to change it, so as you can change from also here it. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.